biggest member of the deer family is the moose. Let's watch guide Mike Eastman take his son-in-law in and take this giant moose.
Alright, he ain't gonna go nowhere. He's going down.
I think we did good.
Yeah, we did. We've seen how many bulls this morning?
This is our third this morning.
Third bull. We've seen 3 cows and a calf. First day up here.
It's probably about, what, 9 o'clock, you think?
Probably about 9 o'clock.
With your help, we did really well. I'm happy and we're not even up close to it yet.
Yeah. You're still loaded up, I hope. Okay. What a pig. That thing's huge, buddy. Huh? That is huge for a Shiras, partner. For Shiras, that's a big old dude. What a day.
Wow.
What a day, man. We come down in there, we got off the four-wheeler and I started to walk around that little lake and I heard a bull moose as I was walking. I told John, run and grab your gun. There's a bull moose right up here in the trees.